In the shadows of glossy launch decks, one founder rebuilt a complex supply chain to fuel steady growth. The team hacked their own metrics, testing tiny experiments overnight to learn what truly moved customers. Funding was stubborn at first, so they pivoted from flashy features to a pragmatic system that delivered real value. Behind every milestone lay a culture of disciplined decisions and candid debates that trimmed risk without stifling ambition. Today, the startup scales globally by sustainable partnerships, proving that careful preparation and relentless focus beat luck every time.